This is the Remote Work Life Business Spotlight, where I highlight top remote business innovators and share personal and career development tips to help you navigate the world of remote work. I'm your host, Alex Wilson-Campbell. I help remote work managers, professionals and freelancers overcome isolation and uncertainty in their life to get hired and fulfill their career goals. Today I'm looking at VLP Law Group. You can find them at VLPlawgroup.com. And I guess there's a bit of a big clue there in the name, the fact that they deal in law. When you get to their webpage, you can see straight away they have different practice areas. They say proven by experience, innovative by nature, better by design. And there's an area for their clients and an area for attorneys. And in case you've not heard episodes of the Remote Work Life Business Spotlight before, it's all about putting a spotlight on remote businesses of all kinds, and we don't really hear that much about remote businesses that deal in law. It's very much tech is very much the order of the day, so it's a nice change to put a spotlight on a legal business. But again, the spotlight is all about the what, the why, and the how behind remote businesses, at least introducing you to them and encouraging you to dig a bit deeper yourself. I'm going back to in fact, if you would like to see what I can see, please hop across to my YouTube channel. You'll be able to see the video version of this podcast. You'll be able to see right now, as I can see, that VLP Law Group operate in different areas of legal, so litigation and dispute resolution, can't say it, bankruptcy and creditors' rights, commercial lending, structured finance and venture debt, corporate law, international practice, mergers and acquisitions. So a whole load of different areas of law that they operate in, and they operate in different industries, including advertising and marketing, clean tech and sustainability, entertainment and media, life science and biotech, semiconductors, web and e-commerce, to name a few. So if you are in the legal space or know somebody who is, it might be worth pointing them across to this website, especially if they're looking for a job at the moment. And this website, as I said, or at least the spotlight is all about the what, the why, and the how. I'd encourage you to look at the Our People section to understand a bit more about who they are. But they do say VLP attorneys are seasoned, accomplished professionals who have taken a different approach to the practice of law. Our attorneys graduated from top-tier law schools, and many of them worked at AM Law 100 firms and served in senior in-house counsel positions before joining VLP. This background and experience make us well positioned to tackle complex and challenging high-stakes legal matters on behalf of our clients. So yeah, do a bit of digging yourself. As I said, going across to the About page, it talks about their leadership, about their values. Do any of the values align with you? So the values that they talk about are a diverse workforce that provides fertile ground for growth. Inclusion is not just a buzzword. Culture matters. Fair treatment extends to all aspects of our work. So yes, it's good to find out a bit more. And of course, don't just take what they say on their website as read. When you get to interviews, when you get to meetings with individuals, when you're networking with individuals, ask them about their values in a way where they have to give evidence themselves, give information, give insight as to how they work, give evidence of how their values play out in what they do, give evidence of their working practices so that you can understand if it's an area in which you can thrive or not. And they talk about their commitments here, they talk about their mission, all good stuff. But again, ask questions when you get to meeting these people in reality. And here they talk about, I'm on the careers page now. Here they're talking about, we're a group of experienced lawyers from top tier law schools, but of course we're all about remote here. So I'm trying to see and find some clues that point towards that. And I can't see anything obvious, although they talk about built-in flexibility. Let's see, we do it all in an environment that's collegial and yes, fun. There's a video here, I believe, on flexibility and balance. Might be worth looking at. Here's a bit here which talks about next steps and your story, but not a mention of the word remote. Although, when I was doing a bit of research behind this, it did give you some clues, but nothing obvious here. I'm going to go to where it says current openings to see if there's anything further that I can glean from looking here. They talk about their attorney openings. They talk about, let's click on that actually to see what we can see here. But as I said, it'd be good for you to do a bit of your own research, because this is just really a spotlight into what this business is, what they're all about. Let's see anything further where it talks about remote work. It says join us. Oh, here we go. We're a group of experienced lawyers. We've read that before. And here it goes. Our distributed platform allows us, among other things, geographic flexibility in hiring. In fact, all our attorneys work from home or their own office space. So there you go. Not obvious, but it's, as I said, it requires some research and digging on your own. And I'd encourage you to look at VLPlawgroup.com. That's it for today's episode of the Remote Work Life podcast. Click the link in the show notes below to access a free list of 100 remote businesses that hire regularly. And if you're feeling stuck or uncertain on issues of career or personal development, head on over to www.remoteworklife.io, where you can watch exclusive on-demand video featuring real-world remote work leaders and future of work experts on key remote work topics, including how to get clarity on your career direction, how to thrive while working remotely, how to network effectively and stay connected, and how to tend to your personal and career development needs. Go to remoteworklife.io now, and remember to connect with me, your host, Alex Wilson Campbell, on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook.